Again, this is my second video. Yeah. Okay. Hello, me. We got the red switch. It is official. You can see. Wait. Wait. There. I am currently on YouTube. I like that sound. I am actually downloading Attack on Titan 2 demo. It's like Attack on Titan, like the ones you can see. It's like that are like Japanese or Korean. Bitches. Okay, where's the stand? Oh, it broke off again. The stand broke off again. Always do that so loose. When you go to the search browser, you click demos, games with demos. As you can see, you might see like games that are, that are like not for free, but go to bestsellers and scroll down a little bit. Scroll down, go down a little bit. Oh, Pikmin 3 Deluxe. I would love to have that. Give me that. Hell yeah. Are gonna get that. Let me get that. I already got Pikmin 4. So you press the download demo button, like what I did. That's what I actually did. Wait, is that Captain Toad? Wait, I did not notice that. Hell yeah, I'm buying that. Actually, I'm not gonna buy it. When you click download the download demo, it's for free. As you can see what I did. Let's go find Attack on Titan. Let me just do this. Well, this is a copy. Hell no, I'm not buying that. No, not this one. Just go like scroll down a little bit. Just scroll down. Just scroll down a little bit. Oh, I'm buying downhill. I want this one. This looks fun. I just basically downloaded like Jogo. Just there. You click OK. I am holding like my other hand. It's not on there because I'm scratching my neck. There. Then when you click download demo like what I did. I think there we go. There's Attack on Titan 2. Oh, I downloaded Pools. It was very fun and scary. There were so many dark corners. As you can see, wait, I already downloaded this. Wait, download. Yeah, you just click that button. There we go, finally. I am still downloading it. I am just basically now on YouTube. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, King Bowser. It's not gay, okay? It's king. What's this? Ooh, I like this one. It's so big. Is it in that box? Is he gonna do with the founding titan? Oh, it's not the founding titan, it's the closing titan. I don't really watch that much anime. Goodbye, guys. Normal titans. I wonder what happens if a normal titans just walked in my that. Oh, that's cool.
Speak, Mikasa, Testo, attack!